Okay, so we are reaching our another support zone. So we are at 85.53, 86.53 I mean. Alright, the bottom would be 84.92, but however we can go to this top. That's 94.50, it's the same. Or this here, depends how far they wanna go. So this one is here, 84.84. $84.03, 82.53, 81.78, 87, 81.87. So depends how far, but this should be support zone, the bottom one. And then we could expect, if they hit the bottom one, we could somewhere here, we could expect some bounce. So we'll see how far they're gonna go today. But there's that warning. There was a warning here for us with this upper band, and they both worked. Okay, so let's see what they're gonna do today. Please read risk disclosure disclaimer. It's required. Commodity future and or any stocks or any financial instruments very dangerous to trade. You can lose all your money, or don't trade what you cannot afford with. Don't trade with the money you cannot afford to lose. Any decision is your own decision. This is just for whatever you take it. This is not even for education. I'm not an educational institution. This is not financial advice, nothing like that. Okay, so it's 8:30. We know we are short. Okay, we are long now, waiting for the pullback, unless we want to jump in. They decide to go long.
Order filled.
Let's go.
Order canceled.
Of course it goes against us right away. There we go. That's why you don't chase market. What's the point? You're still above comma. We'll get out if you get in profit.
Order
And we
filled.
get out. You're all fine. You know the rules. You're short now. That's why you come out when it didn't go your way right away. Look at this pullback. Okay, we made some profit with, that was a risky. We're short now. That's why I never trade the markets like we did here. Let them pull back into good zone and then we go. Much less risk, much bigger profit. Okay, we are long. We're waiting for a pullback in here. Let's
Order
go buy.
filled. Stop filled.
Okay, there we go. Change this. Much less risk is we buy here. When it works out for us, it just works great. Few times what we are risking. Okay, we are long again. Pulls back, we'll go long.
Order
Okay,
filled.
perfect place to buy. Okay, we are short now. Went against us. But we know we can get out of the trade with profit. Alright, because didn't go. Should have come out here, but not shoulda, woulda. You need to know before the trade goes. Now in our profit, we are going out.
Order submitted.
Okay, go in front of the market. Alright, not a good one. Still sure we are long now. Ooh, look at those moves. We're in the red zone. You know what it means. Look at comma, pullback zone. It's flat. They don't know what to do, but I think we're gonna be making some pullback. They make it go higher than this, we're
Order
going.
filled.
That's the only bad thing with market, if you don't go in front of the market to see how much it goes. I can leave a stop over here.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Alright, so we're much more, but never know. I think we're going long.
Order filled.
Lower high. There you see. This could be low. No.
Order
Okay.
filled.
We just lower our entry point, our price, buy price. There we go. Take a long. And the profit, just very quick out of profit. That's why we can get out here, and let's just say we're gonna go here
Order submitted.
and one here.
Order submitted.
We're short the pullback zone, long on comma, long on both.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Okay, look at this. Seven minutes of trading. There we go. As I expected, we go long, and there we go. Okay, we have a resistance zone at 87.30. Alright, we had a nice run up. This could be just pullback. So we'll see. That's the bottom for now. We're still short. We're long now on both indicators.
Order filled.
Still think we're going long. just got proven wrong. Okay, they decided to come short. We'll buy here
Order
one.
filled.
It could go down to 69. That's what happens if you are looking for the bottoms. Make sure your account is big enough that you can sustain your losses in meantime during the trading, and that you can buy many contracts when you get good signals. Okay, this could be the bottom. Let's buy two.
Order filled.
Okay, all around this morning we almost got back. Here are the supports. What did we say? Only these are counting out of indicators. And there is one. This one is already passed. This one, this one. And then of course we have here. One is here. And one is here. So as you can see, everything we got this morning and more now. So which is fine. We're gonna have a nice pullback when it happens. We'll buy more.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
They're trying to make a here. There's a resistance, but I'm trying to make a low. They may go lower, yeah. It's okay.
Order filled.
I
Order
will buy
filled.
more. Let's take a look on a daily. And we are in our zone. Maybe they're heading here. $84.94, plus they're gonna be hitting this one, this top. That could be a resistance. So bottom of this line, top of this. So I'm gonna hit that zone. It'll be just perfect. So we still have a long way to go. We are in 8600s. Let's buy more.
Order.
They're
Order
rounding.
filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
We have 20 contracts. We're big enough.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Then we'll rest on to run. If you can get, there's a resistance.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
We're pretty close. A few ticks. Go long again. There are the trades. Okay, that was a downtrend of 100 points, so a little bit more. But we still managed to make profit. Depends on your account size, account and everything. Depends what kind of signals you're taking. Are you catching bottoms and tops, or you just going by signals over here with our pullback zones? Or could you just going long? The result is here. We're still long. Can wait for pullback in these lines maybe. They're coming back. We just broke this low. You could come over here. But for now, look at where it's bouncing from the bottom of pullback zone. There's your bar color signals right here, right here. This wasn't here. So you have 3 so far, 1, 2, and 3. And here's 4th one. So from 3 of them over here, only 1 didn't work with 5th one, so we have 5 good ones and 1 didn't work. Looks like this morning we're going back and forth. And they're going just long, long, long. We can just jump in, wait for signal.
Order filled.
But see, when it's market, I was sitting here and then that's how quick market went. Talking about 25, 30 ticks. That's why I always go in front of the market.
Order filled.
And we made something. Still short based on a pullback zone, EMA, we are long. We'll just buy
Order
here.
filled.
And then we'll just go here.
Order submitted.
The long. We are short now. Double top, lower high, lower high. Comparing to this move, this is lower high too. High low. But we are still in short. Long, short, still long, didn't close down. And there we go, in a tick. We were almost out in a tick. Okay, there's some news, must be some news because of this move. Okay. Just slower. Actually, I'm gonna leave it here. Still long. We'll buy another one here.
Order filled.
We'll over here. Big not know this morning which way they're gonna go. They go big time up, big time down. But we are still in profit. So if they go long, we'll buy another two.
Order filled.
Okay.
Order submitted.
We are again very close. See if this is the top. For now it is. We'll see if they're gonna break it. Watch for pullback. This could be pullback. Look over there, bounce from this line, trying to make, they're making a double top here. Now they broke it, but still this could be higher low. So we'll buy another two.
Order filled.
This kind of markets, unless you're so quick and you can go with these down, you go in market in front and sell them. You can, with a nice size account, you can just go and look for tops and bottoms and get your profit, nice profit in a half hour or so, as we did it. Sometime in, you're talking about some seconds or minutes. We'll buy again.
Order filled.
And here's the short. Went long here, but short on a comma.
Order submitted.
All right, we got into these zones. That was a nice move. We'll just leave it. Look at what they're doing with this one. They're just going sideways here. With some lows, making lower lows, but trying to make higher lows. Trying to go, they're trying long. How successful they're gonna be, we'll see. Okay, we're in the market. Let's take a look on one more time on a daily, and you can see still we're coming to that bottom. So in another hundreds of points, if they're gonna reach the bottom here, or are we gonna get a nice pullback, which we should get in the next couple of days. By Friday there should be a really nice one. There's another one. It's slowing down on the way down. Let's buy more.
Order filled. Order
Let's buy
filled.
more.
Order submitted.
Okay, nice move. There could be resistance. We'll see if they're gonna break it. Just because they're breaking it. There you go.
Order filled.
Almost there again.
Order
Yeah,
filled.
that's it. You see result. So it depends on conditions of the markets. How quick you can go in front of the market, how good you know your system, where to look for your trend lines and support and zone support lines, and so on. But there is a result again. So even with a count of 20, 30,000, we're still doing great. We're making 10%, 5 to 10%, depends on your account, in 50 minutes. I'm sorry, 40 minutes. Let's just go here long.
Order filled.
Now let's go there.
Order submitted.
I just did there, but okay, that would be good. There's a, well, not that one. Here we are out. Here. And here. So this one here, it's out of indicators. This one is out of indicators. You see this? Perfect, these 2 points. Then we have this one, that one. Look at that pullback. That's why if you have a nice size account, not to worry, let them run. You just take out your profits. Don't always go with the full amount you want to get in. Get it 1/10 of the size you want to get in. First one, field of others, 10 or 15. So if you want to go with 20 contracts, just go with 1 or 2, that's a 20, or 15, just with 1 or 2 in case you need to go and lower your price down. The markets are this quick. Okay, let's go buy again.
Order filled.
And
Order
let's go
filled.
buy again.
Order filled. Order filled.
Let's say we saw it long, so we're expecting for them to go long. We went with 1 in, 5 out. There's a support, that's what I'm saying, we are looking for long. Though we want to come short, okay, we were just in profit.
Order
There
filled.
we go.
Order
And
filled.
again, and there we go. Okay, let's do it. Let's just go. Say we think it's gonna go long from here. Let's go just
Order
buy
filled.
long, regardless. Let's say
Order
we think
filled.
again it's going there long. The market is showing short. There we go. We were right in this case so far. We can put stop over here under this low and let it go wherever it wants to go. Okay, let's try to sell stop
Order
market.
submitted. Order filled.
Alright, we are in. Got our money. Alright. can always close. Okay, let it run. Buy, stop.
Order submitted.
Now we can go under this one here. 2 lows behind. We can move under this one.
Order filled.
Alright, we got it here. Okay, we need 350 for, let's buy here.
Order filled.
Let's buy 2
Order
more.
filled.
Save on the 3000, make, looks like they wanna go to here.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Okay. All we need 350 for 3000 points. We are seeing what market is doing. As long as your market can carry the losses during the trading, you're just fine. Most of the time, it's something gonna happen, gonna goes against you, yeah. But most of the time, and there we go. We are already over 3000 points. Not anymore. We are closer. We are short. Pullback zone now, comma 2. Okay, so we'll just go pull this, that's it. That's all we needed. There's a confusion in the market lately, in the last minutes. Just a sideways. There was that big drop and then just went sideways. So we'll see what that means. There's support. Going to short. Still short trend from this bar. So everything that's the bottom, so we can go buy a couple more, maybe even 2 more.
Order filled.
Doesn't matter. Oops, they're all the way down, don't see them anymore. Only still six contract in the play. We are long, let's just buy more.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
And there we go.
Order filled.
we just met a little bit. We didn't make very long.
Order filled.
They're still long.
Order filled.
That was a big drop.
Order filled.
Okay,
Order filled.
we have 4.
Order filled.
There we go. We reached our goal, and so on. Well, thank you for watching the video. Our room. Have a great trading. We'll see you in the next video.